And in this section, we will discuss how to be a designer. Design is a fundamental part of nearly every aspect of human life. If you enjoy looking at design and thinking about how things are made and used, the possibilities for a career in design are endless. Here I will tell you how to becoming a successful designer. First is learning about design. So first learn about design and think critically about design objects around you. Try to notice what you like or don't like about a design and begin thinking about what makes some design better or more suitable than others. Nearly everything in the man-made environment has some sort of design behind it, where it's a graphic, a website, or a fashion accessory. Notice how well the design functions for its intended purpose as well as how it looks. Practice being specific about aspects of particular designs and how these aspects work together as a whole. For example, if you are looking at a graphic design, notice how the colors, lines, proportions, text, and shapes make the design more or less pleasing, and how clearly it conveys its message. Number 2. Think of design as a way to fill a need or solve a problem. While it strives to make things look good, design differs from other types of art in that it has a practical application. A logo, for instance, is a type of graphic design that helps make a brand or company quickly recognizable. An article of clothing serves the purpose of covering the body in addition to making the wearer look more attractive. A car's dashboard is designed to make it easy to read the various gags as well as enhance the look of the car's interior. And practice communicating visually. Designers need to be able to make drawings or other representations of their designs in order to refine them and explain them to other people such as design colleagues and manufacturers. By learning how to visually convey what you imagine, you can improve on it and work out the details. There is only so much you can picture in your head or describe with words. Drawing is a powerful tool for designers, but don't worry if you can't draw photo realistically. Designers' drawings don't have to be masterpieces, just a way to quickly capture ideas that will lead to the finished product. Tracing is also totally acceptable. In addition to drawings, designers also use things like mock-ups, prototypes, and computer imaging to visualize their designs and explore how things are made. When you are work as a designer, you not only have to consider what is pleasing to the eye, you always have to consider how your design will be implemented. Shoe designers have to decide on technical aspects of creating a shoe, such as where the leather will be sewn together and what type of sole will be used. For an object like a cell phone case, industrial designers need to think about what kind of plastic and molding process will be used and how each part will be attached together. Find good sources of information. In addition to design magazines, look for books about the process, principles, and methods of design. Try looking at textbooks and technical videos for these. For things, apparel, construction, manufacturing methods, and various craft techniques. Even if you don't understand everything, try to get a feel for what kind of technical process you might be interested in working with. Learning about design goes deeper than reading fashion and decorating magazines, although these are a good source for current trends. And learn about designers whose work you admire. Finding out about their personal philosophies of design, educational background, and working habits can give you insight into your own interest and ambitions. Do internet research and biographies and watch documentaries about famous designers and pay attention to how their careers were shaped. Remember that you can be a successful designer. If you are not from Paris or New York, think about how your own background and imagination can make your design unique. And try looking at designer you don't like as well. Find out how they contact from the people you admire, or perhaps gain a new found appreciation for their work. And consider going to design school. Design schools are a great way to gain information about design, learn good work habits and techniques, and network with other designers. A 4 year design program at a specialized design school is an excellent start, but it's not the only option. Many universities and colleges also have design programs. Consider taking a workshop or short diploma course at a design school. There are many excellent intensive programs that take a little as a 3 weeks to 2 years. And don't obsess if you are not sure what kind of design to do right away. Don't worry also if an interest in design is not something you anticipated earlier in your career path. Many designers started out in other fields such as fine art, architecture, or marketing, and others never studied formally. It often takes some time to discover what aspects of design you are good at, and sometimes you can't anticipate the reception your designs will get. The only way to figure out where your design career will lead you is to keep designing and showing your work. In the next lecture, I will tell you developing your design skills. So, see you in the next lecture.